So whenever the word browser comes, then one picture which comes to our mind is this. Yeah, undoubtedly Chrome. But there's a new player in the market which is giving really tough competition to Chrome, and it might also replace Chrome in the coming years. Yes, that's Brave. In this video, let's go through its quick overview. Let's go through the quick overview of Brave and also try to discuss why Brave can be the best browser in 2023. Stay tuned. Okay, so back then when internet was in its parental stage, in 1995, Microsoft launched its browser, the Internet Explorer. Yes, the Internet Explorer. You might have used it, you might have heard about it a lot, you might have seen its meme, like how slow it was and how dull it was. But still, if you ask your millennial friends or family members about the Internet Explorer back then for sure they'll start to tell you about the Internet Explorer, its working, like how it was the best browser back then, about its monopoly and many more. But on June 2022, Microsoft ended its support and now it's officially dead. Yes, it's officially dead. And many more browsers, like lot of browsers contributed to its defeat. Lot of browsers came after Internet Explorer, like Opera, Firefox, Safari and many more. They came after the Internet Explorer and contributed to its defeat. But the one which played a very major role for the defeat of Internet Explorer was Chrome. Yes, Google Chrome, the browser. Google Chrome, since its launch, have single-handedly dominated the browser space, and still in 2023, it accounts for 65.84% of the global market share. Yes, 65.84%. That's very huge, right? But you know what? There's one new browser in the market which might do something to Chrome, just like Chrome did to the Internet Explorer. Yes, it might dominate the browser space in future, and also who knows, it might defeat Chrome in the coming years. Give a huge round of applause for the Rocky of browser space, Brave.
I understand. क्या बोला तू? मैंने सिर्फ एक कदम रखा है। घड़ी में 1 घंटा तब होता है जब बड़ा कांटा 60 कदम रखता है, पर छोटे कांटे का 1 कदम काफी है। मैं कदम रख चुका हूँ, खेल का रुख बदल चुका है, सांप सीढ़ी के खेल में नेवला उतर चुका है। जा, तुझे छोड़ दिया। लेकिन एक बात याद रखना, आज के बाद ये टेरिटरी मेरी, वो टेरिटरी तेरी, ये सब छोड़ दो। The world is my territory.
Let's talk about the Chrome first. So you already know that Chrome stores our data, Chrome uses our data. We already know that. But you know what? The way it uses and stores our data can be the concern for many who values privacy. Yes, it can be concern, it can be concern for me, it can be concern for you. Those who value privacy, it is a concern for them. And you know what? There have been many instances where it has been proved that the way Chrome uses our data, stores our data, is vulnerable to hacking and many more threats. So the problem with Chrome is privacy, right? But if we take the case of Brave, then okay. So first of all, let me tell you, Brave is the blockchain project. Yes, and blockchain means privacy and privacy. So Brave is built as privacy as its topmost priority. Like in Brave, your browsing history, your personal information, cookies, passwords, etc. all are kept private and not at all shared with any third-party applications, websites and companies which can use our data. Also, it has a built-in ad blocker. Yes, it has a built-in ad blocker which blocks the ads, which also blocks the third-party cookies, trackers, which makes it resistant to the vulnerabilities which might be in the case of Chrome. Also, furthermore, it has A built-in VPN. Yes, it also has a built-in VPN which encrypts your browsing data and it makes it difficult for anyone to snoop on your online services. Like even if you are using any public Wi-Fi network, still your data is protected. Okay, so this was about Brave and privacy. But Brave isn't just about privacy. Even though it is its topmost priority, Brave isn't just about privacy. It is lot more than that. Yeah, it is lot more than that. For example, it is good for your device battery life also. Yes, because as I said earlier that it has a built-in ad and trackers blocker. It automatically speeds up the page load times. It automatically reduces the amount of data that needs to be downloaded. It automatically reduces the amount of background process running on your device. This means that your device doesn't have to work as hard to load a web page, which in turn reduces the strain on your battery life, making Brave an energy efficient browser. The next, it is good for the data usage also. So as I already said that it already has built-in ad and track blocker. It automatically reduces the amount of data that needs to be downloaded, which is saving that time. Then it has a good data saver mode which limits the background processes happening on your device, on your browser, ultimately saving data. But it also has one more feature which can be an unique feature of Brave. It is no script feature of Brave. Yes, and if you don't know about no script feature, then this is script, this is no script. Turn on and this no script feature. So this no script feature allows users to block scripts from running on the web pages. This ultimately improves security and also reduces the amount of data being transferred. It can help to save our data. See, Brave like save data, save battery life, save electricity, save energy, save environment. Brave. And another unique feature of the Brave browser is its built-in reward program. Yes, built-in reward program. Sounds nice, right? Well, it is nice because this built-in reward programs rewards you for watching ads on the browser. Yes, this is Web3. It cares for you. It rewards you for watching ads on the browser. It is not like Web2 where you watch numbers of ads and you get absolutely nothing, like absolutely nothing. You know the problem with YouTube, Spotify and other apps, right? So this rewards you for watching ads on the browser, and the rewards is in terms of BAT. Oh, not this BAT or this BAT, but it is basic attention token. Yes, BAT, basic attention token. This BAT is the cryptocurrency that can be used to support website owners, that can be used to support content creators like me by giving them the BAT which you have earned through watching ads. And this is a very big unique feature of Brave, which is supporting the creator economy also, which is supporting the creator economy to grow by giving the creators BAT which you have earned, then they can convert it into money. And if you want to know about creator economy, then watch here or here. I don't know. Okay, so this is important. Come closer. So Chrome is built on the Chromium platform. Yes, it is built on the Chromium platform, and as it is built on the Chromium platform, it makes familiar for the users who are shifting on Brave from Chrome, because it works similar to the Chrome. It works similar to the Chrome, and the users can also access the Chrome extensions on Brave, which allows the users to customize the browsers with various functionalities. Like they can import their password manager from Chrome to Brave, they can import their bookmarks, they can import their extensions, and that's why it is good. And yes, so these are the reasons why I feel that Brave is better browser than Chrome. Yes, and yeah. So if you want such similar kind of videos in future, then make sure you tell me in the comment section on what topic you want. And if you are new, then I bring such type of videos twice per week. Yeah, and I am a bit consistent also, like now I'm a bit consistent. And yes, so make sure you subscribe to my channel, make sure you share this video with anyone who is in need, or everyone, of course, everyone. And yes, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.